What's up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Drifts Outdoors. In today's video, me and Zach went out to the woods and did a little bit of trail riding with the Kabota, and then we had a couple people ask us to do a tour of the farm, so we're going to give you guys a tour of the farm. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching Drifts Outdoors. Please subscribe.
Baby, lay on back and relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go.
Alright, now we're just trail riding.
The Kabota RTV 500. I think it was pretty good money. Pretty good deal for the money. She goes pretty fast. Or, well, not pretty fast. She'll go through about anything. Mud. I got stuck once. Twice. So, when we get back, Nick will give you a tour of the farm, and yeah, stay tuned.
Alright guys, I'm just coming from the house. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour because we had a couple people ask about it, so we're going to give it to you. Alright, so here we got our garage. We're actually going to turn into a house, but we got the shed over here. Right up here's the barn. We'll probably go in there quick. That's Buddy. He's barking. Got the milk house. There's the barn. We'll go this way. There's Larry. We'll go this way. Right up here is kind of the heifer shed type deal. Oh, I just stepped into so much cow crap. It's not even funny. Oh. Oof. Oh my gosh. Oh, whatever, let's keep going. Got the goats over there. Heifer / goat barn, I should say. Got a hay bale in there for them. And that's basically it. Thanks again for watching this episode of Drifts Outdoors. You can go ahead and leave a like down below. Please subscribe. Comment what you liked about this video. Until next time, have a great life.